Welcome to Kids Learning Center.
Hello kids. In this video, we will learn alphabet. A.
A.
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child
B.
takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
B.
The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o,
C.
the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o,
C.
the cow takes the dog.
Red color.
Red color.
The dog
Orange
takes
color.
the cat,
Orange color.
takes the cat.
Yellow color.
Dairy-o,
Yellow color.
takes the cat. The cat
Blue
takes
color.
the mouse,
Blue color.
takes the mouse.
Green color.
The dairy-o,
Green color.
takes the mouse.
Purple color.
Purple color.
Pink color.
Pink color.
Mouse takes the cheese.
Brown color.
The dairy-o
Brown color.
takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
A.
A.
B.
B.
C.
C. Thank you. See you soon.